This conference will now be recorded.
Yes, so today we'll discuss conditions. If you see that in any language, programming language, Python or shell script, so we'll have the conditions, multiple conditions, I think. Okay, if else, when condition, while condition, something like that. Here we have only one condition, that's the when condition. That's it. We don't have any multiple things. So we see Python or shell, so we have the if else, while, when condition, and multiple things, right? But here we have only one. That's only when condition. So it's very simple, like loops only. It's very simple. So no need. Simple thing. Okay. So if you see syntax right, for example, so simple. Name is equal to some. Okay. So something. Then module name. Your module name. Okay, module name. The syntax. Then we'll use the when. So when. So here, right? So we'll use some syntax. When it is true, something like true, false. When true. So okay. So this model will execute. This will execute. Something like that. Okay. Simple. Like same. Like if see Python says that if right, if it is true, okay. So then one condition will execute. If not true, then it will go to the second condition. If else or else condition, right? Same thing here also. So using when condition. When it is true, run one syntax. If it is a false, run different condition. So like that. It's very simple, very easy. I'll show you. So if you see here, so already this thing already we knows. Okay, already we knows this thing. Okay, you can see task. Task also, this is already we know some syntax. Here I'm using the command module. So using command module, so you can pass the direct command like shell. Shell commands both are similar, both are equivalent, both are similar. Okay. So some syntax you can see when Ansible underscore OS family is Debian means, so once, okay, when your OS family is Debian, run this syntax. When your OS is Red Hat, run this command. Some condition. When this is true, so when this is true means your OS is Debian, then run this syntax or whatever. If when this is true means when your OS is Red Hat, run this syntax. Means simply here, if your OS is Debian, this command will execute. If your OS is Red Hat, this command will execute. Syntax, whatever module. So the module is up to your wish. Whatever module you want, we can use it. So coming to here, you can see here. So Ansible OS family. How we know this? This is a system fact. Ansible OS family is a system fact. System fact. From where it will come? It will come from here. So here I mentioned no. If I mention no, it will not work. So we should mention yes. Yes means by default yes. If you don't mention by default yes. Okay. For example, if it is yes, okay. So first it will gather all the facts, and I am using one of the fact here. So Ansible OS family is the one of the system fact. System fact, it will come from here. Okay. Once you enable, if it is yes, it will come from here. So okay. Once your OS is Debian, run this one. If your OS is Red Hat, run this one. If your OS is Windows, run one command. If your OS is Fedora, run this command. Simple. I have the multiple flavors. I have Debian, Red Hat, Ubuntu, Fedora, Windows. In Windows, I need to run one command. In Fedora, I need to execute some other task. In Red Hat, I need to execute some other task. It's the same playbook. Then you can use the when condition. When your OS is Windows, run this command. When your OS is Red Hat, run this command. When your OS is Debian, run this command. Okay, Sushant, Chandra.
Yes. Okay.
Understand.
So here that I mentioned no means it will not gather the facts. If it will not gather facts, then it will not identify. So this one it will fail. We'll see. Ansible playbook. I open yes, I not recall it. It is there. If you execute this thing, anyway it will fail. You can see failed. The conditions check Ansible OS family failed. Failed. So the error was error while evaluating conditional. So failed. Why? Because it is not identified. So this keyword is not identified. Why is not identified? I disable this thing, gather facts. This is a system fact. This is a whatever Ansible underscore OS family is a system fact. Okay, so here I disabled. If you disable, then it will not identify this thing, right? So that's why. So what I will do, I will enable this one. Mention yes. By default, yes. If you mention, if you don't mention, by default, yes. Mention yes or leave it. By default, it will be yes. If you mention, if you don't mention. So now execute. So you see above here, you can see here I disabled it. You can see here I can't see the gather fact task, but here I can see. Why? Because here I disabled it, so that's why I can't see. Here I enabled, so that's why I can see the gather fact task. Then you can see in my case I don't have the Debian, that's why it's skipping. In my case, right, I don't have the Debian server, so that's why it's skipping. I have the my source is so Red Hat Linux. That's why you're doing something. Okay, Chandra, Sushant.
Yeah. So if it doesn't find, it will just skip it, right?
It will skip. That's simple. It will skip. That's it.
Okay.
Chandra, any question, Chandra?
No, we're
So that is one of the playbook. So here, this playbook you can see. So this here you can see this playbook. So here, right, I'm using the stat module. So I'm using stat module. So using stat module, we can find whether the directory or file is existing or not in your servers. So using stat module, okay, using stat module, so we can find the file or directory existing or not in server. So you can see directory file or file system status. File means both file or directories both. Okay, so we can find it whether the file or directory is available or not in system. So we can using stat model we can find it. So here I'm using the stat model, and I'm trying to find whether this file is existing or not in this location. Whether this file is existing or not, I'm trying to find. Okay, so already we register. I think we didn't discuss it, right? So the register, we didn't discuss it, right?
No, we didn't discuss about this.
yeah.
Okay, very simple. So take any existing playbook. Take any existing. Okay. So already we know what is this stuff under. Okay. So already we know this, all this stuff under. Right. Okay. So if you see, okay, just here. Okay. So only we can see that the play output, the task output. but the actual log, the particular command output we can't see it. Whether we can see only the task changed or okay or not, yellow color, green color, changed or okay or not, this we can see. Okay, so but we can't see that. So the actual log, right? You can see the log also. For example, right here we see here something is done here, right? So whatever done, the log also we can see. Okay, in the screen, the log also we can see. So using debug module. So if you see, take anyone task, already this task already we knows. So register means I am registering this output. So this output into one variable. So some name, some ABC, okay. So what I'm doing here, I'm registering this output, okay. I'm registering this output into one variable called some ABC. So here now I'm using the debug. I'm debugging. So debug we are equal to ABC and debugging this variable. And debugging this variable means we can see this output, whatever the log output, we can see the JSON mode in this screen. In JSON format, we can see in this screen. It will display that output in JSON method, JSON format in your screen. Simple. Using a register statement, I'm registering this output, this particular output into one variable. Here I'm debugging that variable. Means so whatever that output, right, that output, so we can see in our screen in JSON format. Okay, go. Okay, Chandra.
Yeah. Okay.
Simple. Here I am registering my output. I'm registering my output into one variable, some ABC, some whatever, some name, and I'm debugging that variable. That debugging that variables, I'm displaying that output into my screen.
Okay.
I'll execute. I'll come to know. So no package Apache available. It's failed. Failed. Okay. So here actually we don't have Apache package, so that's why it failed. Give HTTPD. Give HTTPD. In Red Hat Linux, we will have the HTTPD. Okay, now we execute. So you can see some output. Here if you see you can see only task, whether it's green or yellow. If you mention debug rate, the debug, so you can see the detailed output. You see, so you can see why it's already installed.
Okay.
Right. Okay.
Oh, it comes with curly braces, cloud braces as well, like condition.
Sorry?
It comes with braces as well. The output. Okay.
Yeah, that output. Yeah, if you use debug, right? So, okay, if you use this stuff, so then okay, so it will list out the log output in JSON format in your screen like this. Okay, Chandra, whatever task. Okay, so here in my case already it was there. That's why it's showing already installed. So now just change the comments. So now what I will do, I will put absent. Absent means it will remove. You can see that the actual output, what it is doing. You can see, so remove the actual output. Okay, that's the result. What is the actual output? It will display in your screen if you use debug mode. Okay, Chandra. Sushant.
Yeah. It's kind of debugged in details showing.
Yeah. Yes.
So when do we need this in the in a practical scenario?
Yeah. Yes. You need, or sometimes you require this thing. Okay. On that way, so you can save, you can register it out, your output into one variable, some ABC, XYZ, whatever, some variable, and you can use a debug module, and you can debug that variable. So it will store that log, what the actual output, what is happening in that backend, the background, what is happening.
Right.
Same thing here. If you here you can see here something is there, some lines, some number of lines here, some number of lines is there. But you want to display some specific message, some specific line. For example, I want to display only this part, only this part, only this part. We can display here. Right, I have here I have underlines. I'm confusing. Underlines I can't read. Right, I can't read. We can't read underlines something. I'm confusing here. If you want to display a particular line, a particular statement, for example, I want to display only this removed, the removed statement, or removed the message. We can display using message module. Using message module, so I can display the only the particular message, particular keyword, particular sentence. Okay, that we'll see. Go back to our existing playbook conditions. Okay, same thing. Here I'm using stat module. Using stat module, we can find whether the one file are directly existing or not in your servers. Okay, here in this case, I'm trying to find this file. This file is existing or not in this path. Same thing, all we know what is this. So this output, I'm registering in one module, one variable, some result, some name, ABC, result, XYZ, your name, whatever name you want, you can put. Debug, already we know what is the debug. You can see it using message module. Using message module, you can find some particular the keyword, particular sentence, some particular message, and the condition when it is true means when the file is existed. Result, okay, result means my variable result dot stat exist means if it is true, if file is there, then this message will display in your screen. Simple. Using stat module, we can find so whether this file are existing or not in this path. Okay, I'm registering this output into one variable, and I'm debugging that variable. So when result means this one, this variable, when means right here, right, when result means my variable dot stat dot exist means if the file is exist means if the keyword, if it's find the keyword exists keyword, this keyword, right, if it is when if you find this keyword exist keyword, so then this message will display into your screen. Simple. Yeah, if file is there, file if it exists, then you can see this message. Okay, Shant, Chandra.
Yeah.
I think in my case I don't have that file. So if I don't have, so I can't see any message. Why? Because here I define only exist. I define that. So If I have, I can see that file, that message. If I don't have, I think I can't see blank. Why? Because I didn't define that message, right? We'll see. Just execute. So you can't see anything here. So okay, can't see. Why? Because I don't have that file. Okay, I don't have that file. So I can't, just skipping. And here I defined that loop, that right, that whatever the syntax or the coding. Okay, I define only it exist. So if it not exist, I not define that one. Okay, so here that what I will do. So in this location, I will create this file.
Mm-hmm.
So touch, just create that file. I have created that file. Touch means it will create the empty file. So now we can see. So in master, I have that file. Because the file already is there. Something. So what are my message? Whatever I get my message. In agent, I don't have that file. So it's skipping. Okay, Chandra, Sushant.
Yeah.
Same thing, same playbook for both conditions, for both. So if file is there, it will display. If file is there, it will display this message. If file is not there, so it will display this message. Same playbook. Stat model trying to find one file in this location, registering my output using debug. When result stat exists is equal to false. When it is false, means when the file is not there, display some message. When the file is there, when it is exist, when it is true, then message, display some message.
Yeah.
So we just execute this one. So you can see, so file is not in agent. I don't have the file. In agent, you can see in agent, I don't have that file. In master, I have the file.
Okay.
Simple. Okay, if file is there, if it's true, display some message. If it is false, display some other message.
Right.
Yeah. Okay.
Let's see what is there in 3. Same. This is also same thing, but still okay. So last playbook we saw that file. Here I'm trying to see directory. Same. Everything is same, but not directory. So for directory, okay, we need to put one more extra for that one. Okay. So and result does that is directory. For directory, you need to put this thing. Same. Everything is same. For file, only. So this one only up to here. For directory, so is directory, okay, is directory, that is directory, we need to mention. So everything is same, everything exact, everything is same. But for directory, you need to put that is directory is true or false.
Why
By
true or
default,
false? Like, is it checking for the directories exist or what?
yeah, same playbook. If you want to check directory, last playbook,
Okay.
right? I checked file. If you want to check directory, so then you need to mention is directory. You
Okay.
go to true or false. Same playbook, Sushant. Same playbook. Here,
Yeah.
right? If you want to search for directories, then you need to mention this one extra one.
So that is a standard syntax. Or?
Yeah, standard syntax. Yes, exactly. Okay, so any questions here? Any questions? It will execute. If you execute also, it will execute. Just no problem. Okay. So any questions so far?
No, good.
Okay. So we see if we take any one more scenario. For example, I have some multiple tasks. Task for. Let's see. Okay. Then execute this task 2 something. So when task 1 is failed, so then run this one. Okay. And we can depend this. Okay, so when task 1 is skipped, run this one. So like this, we can depend this. When task 1 is success, run some task 2. When task 1 is failed, then go for task 3. When it is skipped, task 1 is skipped, go for task 4. Some other task, like dependence. Okay, Chandra, Sushant?
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Some dependence, okay? For example, you have multiple tasks. Okay, you have dependence, task 1, task 2, task something, okay? So like depends, some depends, right? So then if task 1 is failed, then go for some other task. Task is success, then go for some other task. If it's skipped, then go for some other task. Same playbook. Okay, so for example, this is my task 1. Okay, task 1 as usual. So save okay, the registering, but output it to one variable, some variable, whatever name you want. You can see when my variable is failed. You result means my variable name, some ABC, some XYZ. So okay, so when okay your the result this one, okay, so fail means fail, run this task. So when your result is it means your variable, your task 1 success, then run this one. Skip, run this one. Same, whatever it is, I don't know. Simple. This is very simple conditions. Okay, we have only one condition, that two only one condition. That's it. So here, right? So okay, I'm using command module. The module is up to your wish. Whatever module you want, you can use. So date 1 to 3. Anyway, we don't have command date 1 to 3. It will fail here. So that's why I'm mentioning this thing. Already we know what is this. I'm registering my output. So when result means my variable name. Here you can mention whatever ABC, XYZ. Here if you mention ABC, same here also mention ABC. So if that output is failed, then run this task. If the output is success, run this task. If the output is skip, run this task. Okay. This is just all a syntax. Here you can put whatever you require. Okay, Chandra, Sushant.
Yes.
Okay.
So
Okay.
if you execute this playbook anyway, so in my case, right? So we don't have command date 1 to 3. It will fail. It will fail means so this task will execute. This task, this one will execute. If main is fail, you can see ignoring. So this is executed. The remaining things skipping. Same thing. Just before you can observe that output. Here it's failed. Why? Because so we don't have the command date 1 to 3. Linux, we don't have command date 1 to 3. It will fail. So it's ignoring. Why ignoring means? Why ignoring means I mentioned the ignore address. Yes. So ignoring. Then this step executed. Why? So I mentioned some condition when my output is failed. Failed. Then run this task. That's why it is executed here. And remaining 2 tasks just skipping. Okay. Same thing. If we edit your playbook. So now what I'll mention correct command. I'll mention correct command. Something whatever that. Correct syntax. Correct syntax. Just I mention only date. In date it will this is the correct command. Just execute. Yeah, you can see. So it's so executed means success. Which is success. It will execute the so this one. The remaining 2 these 2 skipping. Some depends. Okay, some dependency. Okay, Chandra. Sushant.
Okay.
Yeah.
So same thing. If you see our playbooks.
Well, is it your current project, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Current is yeah my previous project, same company, my previous project.
Okay.
Okay, so roles. Take anyone role, anyone. Tasks. So when you can see here file underscore when same okay file. See other playbook is simple other playbook. Let's see. You can see here some when some see you can see some condition means if it is true means if both are equal something equal means so this is equal this is so then do something you can see here also you can see so here also you can see so here also you can see you can observe these 3 things. Same thing okay you can do same thing. Everything. See the other playbook just power off power on power off power on task. So here when you can see same when condition but failed failed something same when this is also condition where failed underscore when it's a failed this thing yes if you see, okay, if the failed the keyword in the result, that means it means that variable, your result is or the variable, okay, some variables or kind of thing failed, then do this thing. See other one, any other one, remove VMware. Same thing here, same thing. See the other one, the instructions. Same here also, same thing. Means if this is okay, so equal to, maybe this is some known, some variable or something, okay, some variable, some property, your whatever that your VMware or your application property, something, okay, some keyword or variable. Okay, Sushant, Chandra.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is the conditions. That was loops. So we're done with the loops and conditions. That is it. Very simple. So okay, very simple thing. That's it. I think okay, almost we're done. Okay, so tomorrow we'll discuss. So tomorrow we'll discuss roles. Maybe roles. Okay, roles and Galaxy both we can finish tomorrow. Roles and Galaxy. So we'll finish 1 class. Anyway, we are discussing 1 hour, right? So tomorrow we can finish. So once we finish, so then we have a tower. So that tower, that also maybe 30 minutes. Make it 1 class. Make it 1 class. So there are two to three playbooks I will show you. So how to create each instances also. That is 1 class.
I mean,
So
you
roles,
have tower, huh?
tower just role. This is a license based one. So okay, so it's not free, but for demo purpose.
No, so okay. So you don't have that. You're not.
No,
Not
no, we are
using the
not
license.
using. No, we are not using. So his license based is cost. Okay, so that depends, depends. If you want to save cost saving, almost 90% people will go for the Ansible one, the open source. It's very enterprise project, very big projects. Then the client will go for the tower. But for demo purpose, we can use the any one open source image and all. I will show you that the demo.
So does tower also comes under Ansible or?
Yes, it's Ansible tower.
The GUI version is tower, Chandra. The GUI version.
Oh, okay.
It's kind of it's all the tools same funda, right? The whatever is like open source, they will give the command line. That's how they earn money, right?
Yes. Okay, roles on Galaxy is nothing but, so whatever we discussed these many days, simply same thing but different format. Same whatever we discussed in last whatever the day 1 to today. So okay, whatever we discussed, same thing, same model, same everything same, but different method. That's it. Okay, different method. Very simple. Okay. So if you want to understand roles, this thing, at least okay, at least please practice at least 1 or 2 playbooks. What is the target? What is task? What is the variables? What is the handlers? Please just please practice something. Same, nothing new in roles on Galaxy. Whatever we discussed, same thing will apply in the different method. Different method. Simple, that's it. Nothing new here. Okay, so any questions?
No, I could.
So with this, the Ansible will be completed, right, sir? And after that?
Yeah. Yes. Okay. If you finish these things, so then Ansible is done. Then we'll go further. So GitHub, Jenkins.
After
Starting
that,
with Git or Jenkins? Okay.
That will take a break and we'll practice Ansible.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you want to go for to Jenkins, first you should know the GitHub.
Oh, GitHub. Okay.
Yeah, GitHub, right? So yeah, we'll save all our code into GitHub, right?
So what? Clone, pull, push.
Yeah, clone, pull, push, yeah, reset, yeah, same thing.
Same thing. Okay. But process, yeah, we need to see that once. Yeah.
Yeah, yes. So that's why at least practice, okay? So okay, yeah. So okay, we can close today. So tomorrow we'll finish roles on the Galaxy. Yeah, so then tower. That one. Please practice, okay? If you don't practice, no. Once we move to other tool, Jenkins or other tool, you will forget Ansible.
Yeah. Ansible is the main thing, sir. By seeing today all that interview, this we have to
Yeah,
practice.
it's very famous. Yeah, see, simple things, simple playbook. You can do a lot of things, right?
Ah,
I will show you. Anyway, we have time, right? I will show you one thing. Google install.
okay.
How to install. Take something in Java. Ansible. You know, using Ansible, right? Very powerful tools. Ansible and all. Very powerful. Ansible, Terraform, you know. That's right. There are so many. See, in the Apple, right? They are using Ansible means you can assume that Apple means
Yeah.
very big company, right?
Yeah,
Apple,
everything is Linux based over there because they work on this platform and not on Windows. So
yeah.
obvious.
No, whether whatever Windows, Linux, Ansible will work on Windows also.
Yeah.
I'll show you. Ansible will work on Windows also. See, if Apple they are using Ansible means you can assume that how much famous this one.
Yeah. True. DevOps is more in Apple, so
Yes.
very much used. Yeah, in all the projects, many projects.
Yes. So here you can see here. So I am trying to install the Java. Trying to configure the Java. Here if you see here. So okay, they are trying to configure the Java in multiple flavors. This is Red Hat. This is some pre-BSD. This is one of the OS. This is a Debian OS. Debian OS. So open this one.
I think FreeBSD is Salt Stack or what?
So it's kind of one OS here. I'm also not sure.
Okay, I saw that.
So here that you define the so this is variable. Okay, this is variable. So this okay variable. You define okay syntax for the Red Hat. Syntax for the Red Hat. So here so in this you define the syntax for the pre-BSD something. You can see here. Okay, so pre-BSD something. The same thing if you come here you define the syntax for Debian servers. How to install. Okay, so you can see some conditions, when conditions, all this stuff on that. Something like that. Go. So this is the main file. In main file, so you can see the syntax. You can see so variable when say already we know what is this when your Ansible underscore distribution or Fedora so run it will execute this one. When your distribution CentOS or Red Hat Linux or Red Hat, this syntax will execute. So when Ansible distribution Ubuntu, then this syntax will execute. Debian, so this syntax. So whatever we discussed, everything. You can see Java package is not dependent means if first we'll check whether Java is not there or not. First we'll check, okay. If Java is not there, then install. If Java is there, don't install. Some conditions here, simple conditions. First it will check whether Java is installed or not. If it's not installed, then go and install. If already installed, just skip. That's it. Just ignore it. Some conditions, okay. See here. So here, just here, they're checking whether Java is installed or not. How? So you can see some package, some command. something. Okay, so if it is not there, so you can see it there. Okay, so you can see it. See, you can do a lot of things, right? You can do a lot of things.
Yeah.
Same thing if you want to do manually, it will take, don't know how many days it will take. For
Yeah.
example, same stuff you need to do in 100 servers. Then assume that you need 1 month or 2 months, right? Same stuff you need to do in 100 servers. You need at least 1 month or 2 months or more resources. At least two guys, 3 guys are you require, right? Not 2, 3. At least you require 10 guys. 10 guys you have to do manually in 100 servers, right? But if you Ansible, right, with one resource, with minimum day, maybe, okay, to write this syntax, so this playbook, you may require 1 day or 2 days. Just consider 1 week. With 1 week, with one resource, you can complete it.
Hmm.
Not
Yeah.
100
So
servers.
the Ansible is built on Python, right, Ram?
Yes.
Okay. Nowadays, I think in this DevOps, people are using Golang also. Are you aware of anything? It's like almost a C and C++.
Not, not
Language.
Golang is a Google one. Google. It was owned by Google.
yes, Go language.
You heard that anywhere in DevOps
Yeah,
circle or?
yes, I had the Go language. Yes.
Okay, yeah. It's like something with data structure. It looks like C, but not exactly C. But syntax is almost same.
Yeah, it's easy compared to Python, Java. It is easy.
Hmm.
It depends, yeah. The requirement, the client requirement, that the architects, how they will define.
Yeah. I think for this building for automation, they are using with DevOps actually, that Golang as well.
Go language, people will Go language, Python, shell script.
Yeah.
They that depends. Okay, depends. Okay, so this is the thing. Yeah, just practice. Tomorrow we'll finish Ansible rules on the Galaxy. Then maybe just half an hour. That's it. Maybe if you want, we also 2 to 3 more playbooks to provision the infrastructure, the EC2 under. Later also we can see. Maybe maximum within 2 days or 3 days we will finish the Ansible. Then we'll go for the okay. So GitHub. Please practice. If you once we switch to other tool, right, you will forget Ansible.
Yeah.
Another thing, yeah. Okay, any questions? If you don't have any questions, then we can close up today's call.
Yeah. Thank you, guys.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
See you. Tomorrow you will log in, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks. See you tomorrow.
Hmm.
Goodbye.